Severe thunderstorm warning! Holy crap! Severe thunderstorm! Alright.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania,
WXL.
until 4 p.m.
WXL 39.
At 3:07 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Donaldson to Litchfield to Huddersfield, moving at 50 miles per hour. And penny-sized hail.
Uh-oh.
Radar indicated.
Not good.
Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees.
Alright, WXL 39. Who's gonna relay this? WEU's probably gonna relay this, but I don't know if I can get them right now. You probably can barely hear them right now. Wow, this was random.
78 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 8, in between mile markers 10 and 59.
Wow. We got a severe thunderstorm warning.
This severe thunderstorm may contain or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks and Lehigh. The current time is 3:09
Wow.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Has
Special
issued a
Marine.
Special Marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland.
Special Marine.
Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little
Special Marine,
Choptank
Special
River,
Marine, Special
Eastern
Marine,
Bay,
Special Marine.
Until 5:45 p.m.
Uh-oh.
At 3:42 p.m., gust fronts were located along a line extending
Alright, everything activated.
miles north of Key Bridgeton near Alexandria to
Whoa.
near Pennsylvania
Whoa.
State Park, moving
Whoa.
east at 50
Whoa.
knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots.
I was trying to get another
Source,
SVR,
radar
guys.
indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds.
I shouldn't activate because I was on WXL.
Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds.
Hold on, wait, I didn't listen.
Locations impacted include Choptank River, Knapp's Narrows Bridge, Tillman Island, Blackonet Point, Greenberry Point, Highland Beach, Severn River, Dares Beach, Roanoke, Bloody Point Light, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Thomas Point Light, James Island, Puntler Island, Naval Academy, Taylor's Island, Annapolis, Shadyside, and Mayo. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Oh, wait. Hold on. I'm not gonna bother.
Here is the
Here we
official.
go. Another alert. SVR. No, don't tell me. Oh, it worked.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania,
Again?
Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania,
All right.
northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeast Dorchester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m.
A lot of stations.
At 3:53 p.m., showers and an outflow boundary producing severe wind gusts were located along a line extending from near Klausville to near Birdsboro to Churchtown, moving east at 55 miles per hour.
A lot of stations here.
60 miles per hour with
A lot of
gusts.
stations.
Source, trained weather spotters.
Oh!
At 3:43 p.m., a 62 miles per hour wind gust was measured at the Reading Regional Airport. Several areas of wind damage have been reported across Berks County. Impact 3:53 p.m. Showers and an outflow boundary producing severe wind gusts were located along a line extending from 6.
There, just call 61.
Event. Ancient Oaks, Pittsburgh, Youngstown, Reedville, Schmakersville, Fountainville, and South Coatesville. The following highways. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 62. Seek shelter now. Sign up for structure and stay away from mile markers 327 and 330.
Did they just say PDS?
Mile markers 33 and 76. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 9. 176 in Pennsylvania mile markers 111. This is a the intentions of those of us that pray together. So, unless you have special graces or...
This is a particularly dangerous situation. PDS SVR. Wait. Here we go. Oh, that's KWO. KW. Alright. Channel 1. Uh-oh. WXL.
Partly cloudy.
SVR.
Locations impacted include damage to roofs, siding.
Alright, they're not relaying. WWYY is gonna relay this. WYY. WWYY. Maybe.
In New Jersey, Sussex and Warren, and Monroe, Pennsylvania.
Right as I thought the action was over, we get a special marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River.
Oh, WNG's gonna relay that. WNG 704.
Maryland and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, Patapsco River, including
Baltimore Harbor until 7:45 p.m.
Oh.
At 5:39 p.m., a gust front was located along a line extending from 27 nautical miles west of Middle River to 13 nautical miles north of Cambridge to 17 nautical miles northwest of
WNG SMW. Let's see if I can catch it.
Motors could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly found wind and great choptank vessels. Boats could suffer significant damage and flooding. Locations affected include Choptank River, Canton North Bridge, North State Park, Manatee River, Rock Hall,
I know.
Eastern Bay, Albany Island, Lafayette Point, Pools Island, Sandy Point State Park, Northeast River, Bloody Point Light.
Alright, that's good. That's fine. That's fine. I gotta leave anyways, but a way to end the event.
The following